How are you too? Just got done my workout. I hit mainly chest and shoulders today, and my stuff is locked in the locker. This gym is extremely unprofessional. I usually go to the one that's farther away from me. Never again. It's horrible. I spy a rainbow in the distance. YouTube. So I had footage of me doing the facial, like the facial spa, but it got deleted, completely wiped from my computer. But anyways, I'm hopping on here to tell you that that service that I gave him, it was only $85. He paid me $115. When you run your business professionally, when you treat your clients with respect, when you're just a respectable youngin', like I'm a young guy, like, but my clients respect me as if I'm their peers because I run my business in a respectable manner and I'm giving out quality haircuts. The service was $85. He paid me $115. That's a $30 tip, which is crazy because that's already an expensive service. No haircut's worth $85. Even with a facial, no haircut's worth $85 or $60. It's just not. But the fact that I'm adding an experience to it, I got the snacks, I got the drinks, I got the TV, I got the music, I got the vibe, the spa treatments, private location, the secured, it's safe. When you give people what they want, they feel relaxed. They can come in there and chill, get a haircut, grab a snack, grab a drink, watch TV. They feel at home. That's all they want, man. Anyways, let's get back to it.
Yeah. Take the thing off. That's yours.
That sushi was crazy. That sushi was crazy, yo. It was like mango fried eel wrapped. Oh, crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace.